Hello everybody, I'm Enchanting Moon and welcome to my channel. I'm doing a unboxing for December from SacredSpace Crate. Came like this. So I'm going to get right into it. This is, oh, it smells so good, guys. And we got some gold paper with a pretty sticker. Okay. Our theme is Yule favorite things. And then we got a pretty color. I was going to say Wheel of the Year, but it's the Zodiac. It's astrology, and it has fire, earth, air, and water. And it's a color Book of Shadows sheet. So you make it your own. Very nice. And we got our December calendar. Very pretty. With the Yule tree. Very festive. Important dates. And, of course, your Zodiac in the back. All right. Let's get into our pretty box. Yuletide Joys. And this is what we see when we open it. Oops, I knocked my glasses right over. Our pretty kitty. All right, so right on top we have this beautiful black cat altar cloth. Very pretty. My kitty, I have a black kitty, and her name is Blackie. She's going to love this. Look how pretty. It looks like her on there. Very, very pretty colors. Ah, wow. Very nice. Smells good. All right, so right on top we have Yuletide Joys. And it looks like this is going to be a candle. It smells very good. And it's pretty. It's got pine cones and crystals. Some copper. Actually, it's a pretty bow. And it really smells nice. All right. Over here we have a bubble. So I'm going to open the bubble. And in the bubble we have Yule Tree Aura or Room Spray. Very nice. We also have our incense sticks, which is called Yule Tree. And these, her incense, like I said, are freaking dynamo. Dynamo. Oh, gosh. It smells so good. Makes you very much in the mood for the festivities. We have our bubbled herb. And the herb is Yule offerings this month in our cute little jar. Yule offerings. All right, what else we got? We have Bruise Salve. This month, Bruise Salve. Color. And we have a Yule tree ornament. Our Yule tree, I'm ripping the bag right open. Oh, how cute. It's a beautiful witch. I love it. Look at our ornament. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous witch. And she's colorful. Oh, wow. That is really, really pretty. Wow. And, oops, we got a couple more items. We have a gold bag here with swirlies. It looks like a rough citrine offhand, or it could be golden healer. I'm not 100%. But we'll find out. And, oh, we have another bag. And this we have I'm going to say it is supposed to be malachite bracelet. It looks like it could be malachite, but I don't know, guys. It's kind of perfect to be malachite. It could be, they do put malachite, and they also put out like malachite-like bracelets, which maybe that might be. But it's very beautiful for this time of year. And then we got this beautiful baby here. This is really pretty. And it has a, oh, you hang this up. Yes. So it is a beautiful, it has 2 holes here. A beautiful wall plaque, because it has your beautiful tied off string, which goes in here, and for you to hang it up. That is beautiful. That is a nice, beautiful Yule box. All right. Love it. Always beautiful things. So, before the spread of Christianity, people celebrate the ancient tradition called Yule. Most of Christmas traditions that we're familiar with today originated from this holiday, but unlike our commercial American holiday, Yule is the celebration of the sun, of renewal and rebirth, and the continuation of life. Yule is a pagan celebration of the winter solstice, which marks the longest night of the year, therefore the return of the sun. On this day, the Earth's axis tilts its way from the sun in the northern hemisphere, and the sun reaches its greatest distance from the equilateral plane. Slowly but surely, the days start to get progressively longer because of this meaningful shift of seasons. The overall theme of Yule is about rebirth and renewal. Ultimately, this festival of the sun, so light is an important element. Flickering candles, bonfire, twinkling lights, and the traditional lighting of the tree all represents this celebration of the slow returning of light. Okay, so the first thing we got in the box is the beautiful pentagram altar tile wall plaque. Beautiful pentagram is painted on wood as a powerful symbol of the magical and the elements. The pentacle is also a symbol of protection, driving away evil and unwanted energies and entities. Either place it on your altar or attach the rope and twine in each hole and knot on each end and use it as a wall plaque. Beautiful. And then we have that gorgeous silk altar cloth with the black kitty on it. You can be used for tarot card cloth, your altar cloth, and black cat is a symbol of good luck, protection, rebirth, death, romance and success. The Yuletide Joy candle. was crafted to bring prosperity, but also bring cheer and joy into your home. Adorned with carnelian for a lucky stone capable of boosting self-esteem, creativity, motivation, love, passion, and courage. Pine cone offers protection and represents the season, and the gift bow represents blessing and pleasant surprises. I hear my dog. That's why I'm like, sunlight. What are you doing? She's being sneaky. And this gorgeous, beautiful, witchy tree ornament. I love this ornament. I really do. You can hang this on your tree with intention. Ornament should be representative of your magic that you'll put into your past, present, and future spells while blessing your tree with this beautiful and colorful witch. I love it. I really do, guys. It's like my favorite item so far in this box. And then we have the Yule Tree Aura Room Spray. It is a scent of Yule pine trees, and pine is a symbol of purification and cleansing. Yule herb offering in the jar, a combination Yule mix. You can put it in a bowl or just sprinkle around your Yule altar. It's made with juniper berries, alfalfa leaf, and nettle. And alfalfa is good for health, prosperity, good fortune. Hoodoo practitioners use it for both money drawing herbs and for protection. Nettle is good for protection, warding off, healing, strength, and concentration. What are you doing, bitty, bitty, bitty? Malachite bracelet is the essence of joy and is known as the stone of transformation because it helps reveal and help emotional pain by absorbing the pain into itself. Really, really. Also brings ease during times of change and gives the insight needed for personal growth. What are you doing under my bed? What are you sniffing under there? So it's saying it's malachite bracelet, so maybe I'm wrong, guys. It's malachite, I guess. It's just like it's perfect. Like, maybe I just got a perfect malachite bracelet, guys. This is a golden hematoid crystal. So it's kind of... What are you doing? What is that? Come here. What you got? Give me that. She was always finding the littlest things to chew. Okay. Containing both amplification properties of quartz and hematite. Interesting. Hematite is a highly energetic crystal that assists not only in removing negativity, but also transforming and transmuting the energy into tranquility, clarity, and positive universal light. Yule tree incense sticks. Oh my gosh. Smells awesome. With notes of pine needle, balsam fir, rosemary, and cedarwood. Brew salve, a combination of arnica and shepherd's purse, which makes a wonderful combination to treat bruising. And of course, astrology coloring book of shadows page. And of course, our moon in the zodiac calendar for December. A beautiful, well put together box, guys, for December. As always, I'd like to know what you guys think. And guess what? For the beginning of January is, it's called Witch's Brew. Oh my gosh. January's Witch's Brew. That sounds awesome. Who doesn't love Witch's Brew? That could be anything magical. Many different ways. I can't wait to see what she's brewed up for the Witch's Brew. I will leave the information about this box in the description below. Thank you guys for watching and have a blessed Yule.